Well, finally, look at that. It's getting dark out there for this time of day. It's probably around 6:30 or so, because Sanford and Son's on right there. So it's somewhere around 6:30 or so. Oh, look, I see a funnel cloud. Look. You see those trees right there? Look just above them. It's a damn funnel cloud forming. Ain't it? But man, I've been sitting here talking on the phone to a friend of mine up in East Texas. And I've been watching. Yeah, that's a damn. Wow. Look at that. It's moving. Shiloh goes, let me see. I want to see. All right, there's Shiloh. Where'd it go? Okay, maybe not. But yeah, look at that, man. It's clouding up. Shiloh goes, what the fuck? Is it gonna rain or not? Man, that's a fine cat right there. Yeah, the trees are starting to blow. Yeah, it's fixing to storm. Man, we ain't had rain here in over a month. See how the grass across the street and everything's drying out? Look at that. Oh, look at all those leaves falling off the tree right now. Yeah, let me pull this up some. Oh, we got us a tornado or something in the area. Look at that. Yeah, it's fixing to storm. Look at that tree over there. Look at that tree over at their house. Uh-oh, the sign is... That tree. Yeah, it's definitely a tornado in the area. Oh, look at that. Shiloh goes, what the hell? Wow. What's going on out there? Look at that. Definitely got a tornado going somewhere. Is that rain I see? No, that's dirt on the window. So that was a tornado I seen a minute ago when I was videoing above them trees. It's just off in the distance. And wow. Look at that. It's gonna storm. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, I was making a little video showing the wind and the storm that was coming in. And right now the wind has calmed back down, but there was a electrical explosion, like a transformer sound, and then that porch light over there went off. And so they got power problems in the area. We still got power here at my house and the house next to the one that I'm showing you. So it's gotta be a line going to that house or whatever serves that house. It's wired up weird around here. What can I say? Anyways, wow. Something's going on, huh?